Hey, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, please make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any content from me. In this video, you're gonna watch me install this beautiful butterfly locks. So if you want to know the tea on these butterfly locks, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be installing the hair, obviously using the crochet method. I'm gonna be using the illusion individual method, I think that's what it's called. So to show you guys, I left this part of my hair. I'm just parting it in two parts because I'm gonna have two braids there left, and then I am gonna part it as if I'm about to do a braid, but I'm not gonna do a braid. I'm just gonna plait it a little bit. I'm not gonna plait the whole thing. Braid it for a little bit and then connect it to the next braid. So I'm gonna be using shining jam, as you guys can see. So I'm splitting the second one in the middle, then attaching it to the first braid. And that's how I did it throughout. And guys, you have to make sure that your braids are not as tight, because it's not safe for your hair, and we are doing protective style. So we want to make sure that we're actually protecting our hair. So make sure that it's not tight. And also, these are butterfly locks. They're locks, so the loop itself is a little bit thick, so you want to make sure that it's not tight. That way you're not like struggling to install the lock. So I just wanted to give you those 2 points because they're very, 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 very important. Okay, make sure it's not tight, and make sure that it's not tight for these 2 reasons. Okay, all right. So, and trust me, it's still gonna look nice. I know when you make it nice and tight, it gives you that neat look, but it's still gonna look nice regardless, because these are butterfly locks, so they're supposed to look a little bit rough anyways. So just keep that in mind. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna show you on the next one what I'm doing. I'm parting it into 3 parts, just like I'm about to do a braid, like so. Okay, and after braiding it for a little bit, I'm not gonna braid the whole thing. I'll part the next part, which connects to this braid. So I'm splitting that in 2. I'm gonna use the shining jam, of course, splitting it into 2 and adding the first braid to the next one, like so. Okay, so easy. Okay, the installation process is so easy, and you don't have to do it this way. You can do the regular cornrow. Okay, and at the back I literally just do some flat twist. I saw a YouTuber called Tupo do this, but I was like, oh my gosh, anything to save time. Okay, anything to save time. So I was like, that's such a neat idea. I'd rather flat twist than braid. Not that braiding is hard, but I don't know, flat twist was just even faster. So okay, so this is the hair that we're gonna be using today. It's by a company called Toyotress, and it's in 10 inches, and it's 8 pieces of them. Okay, in each, there's 8 pieces in the packet, and it's ombre orange, pre-twisted distressed crochet braids, pre-looped. Okay, and this hair is So easy to install, guys. So easy, and it's beautiful. I love the color. It's like I said, it's an ombre orange, and it's different for me because I don't really do a lot of color in my hair, but I was like, you know, why not? Let me try this. So here I'm just showing you how I just ended up tucking the whole hair, and I think you're gonna see later on in the video that I ended up what I ended up doing with that. Okay, so this is the loop. It's not as thick, but still it's thick, so you have to make sure that, you know, your base is not as tight. Okay, so here I'm just installing the hair. Very easy, guys. Just the normal way that you do crochet, and you know, so easy. And the hair is very lightweight. Okay, so it makes it easy to install, and it's not heavy on your head, because you know sometimes when you install these crochet braids, they're like heavy as hell, but this is not heavy at all. It's lightweight and it's not itchy. It has no smell, and they are long lasting. Okay, so I really love it. It's natural looking, and it's soft, and it's skin friendly. It's not gonna like break you out, because you know. So that's some of the things that I love about the hair. And here I was just showing you guys, I ended up just tucking the hair by crocheting it into the other one. Okay, and at the back, you guys, you know, nobody sees the back, so we just do what we gotta do. But just showing you all that I'm just crocheting it like that, and you can add as much hair as you want. I will put the link for the hair in the description box. It's on Amazon. You guys can check it out. They have different lengths and different colors, different options for you guys. So you definitely need to check it out. The link will be in my description box. Guys, these Locs were so easy to install. It took me about 3 hours, and that's with me taking breaks. Okay, so easy to install. All right, so this is the finished look. I love the color on my skin. It's very beautiful. I was very hesitant at first. I was like, I don't know about this, but I really love it, and it's so beautiful. And like I said, I don't really do a lot of color, but I love it. And you can add as much hair as you want in the back if you feel like it's not filling up. I think I use 6.5 packs, but you can use all the packs if you want. And I love it. I ended up adding some accessories, and yeah, you can wear it in different styles. The side part, which is my favorite, the middle part, okay, I'm also loving that one. It's not my favorite, but I'm loving it. Or you can do the half up, half down look. I love this one. Or you can do the half up, half down, but with the 2 braids in front. That's really cute. Or you can just tie it in the back and let some hair hang like that. So cute, guys. There's so many options that you can, you know, rock this hairstyle. Okay, yeah, guys, so this is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check the link in my description box so you guys can check out the hair and purchase it, and you know, rock it this summer. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share the video, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.